Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to exit safe mode on Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, you will need to access the System Configuration utility. You can do this by typing System Configuration into your Windows search bar and selecting the corresponding result. Once System Configuration is open, navigate to the Boot tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Safe Boot. If this option is currently checked, it means your computer is set to boot into safe mode. To exit safe mode, simply uncheck the Safe Boot option. After unchecking it, click on Apply, then OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer. Performing this restart will allow your computer to boot back into the normal Windows environment. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.